The integral roles of man and woman in family, society, and the world. The theory of complementary duality posits that man and woman, while distinct in their individual identities and roles, are fundamentally interconnected and interdependent, forming a singular, cohesive unit. This unity transcends mere partnership, suggesting that the essence of humanity is realized most fully when both genders collaborate and harmonize their unique attributes. Foundations of complementary duality. At the core of this theory is the belief that the complementary nature of man and woman is intrinsic to human existence. This unity is not merely a social construct, but a reflection of a deeper, perhaps even spiritual, connection that binds individuals together. Key principles of complementary duality. Intrinsic interdependence. Man and woman are inherently designed to complement each other, with their differences serving as strengths that, when combined, create a more complete and harmonious whole. Shared humanity. Beyond gender distinctions, both man and woman share a common human experience, with mutual respect and understanding being essential for societal cohesion. Collective purpose. The unity between man and woman is foundational to the progression and well-being of society, with their combined efforts leading to more balanced and sustainable development. Dynamic balance. While each gender maintains its unique identity, the interplay between them fosters a dynamic equilibrium that benefits both individuals and the broader community. Effects and significance to society. Enhanced social cohesion. When man and woman recognize and embrace their interconnectedness, it leads to stronger familial bonds, more resilient communities, and a more unified society. Balanced decision-making. The collaboration between genders brings diverse perspectives, leading to more comprehensive and equitable decisions in both public and private spheres. Economic prosperity. Unified efforts between man and woman can drive economic growth, as diverse talents and skills are harnessed to their fullest potential. Cultural enrichment. The blending of different experiences and viewpoints fosters a rich cultural tapestry, promoting creativity, innovation, and mutual respect. Sustainable development. A society that values the unity between man and woman is more likely to pursue development that is equitable, just, and sustainable, ensuring the well-being of future generations. Conclusion. The theory of complementary duality emphasizes that the true strength of humanity lies in the harmonious collaboration between man and woman. By acknowledging and nurturing their interconnectedness, societies can achieve greater harmony, prosperity, and progress, reflecting the profound impact of unity in diversity. In essence, the unity between man and woman, grounded in complementary duality, is a powerful force that propels humanity toward a more equitable and prosperous future.